Good evening, everyone. Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with an exciting announcement. As you all have probably read in my community section today, today marks my 8-year anniversary on YouTube. So I would just like to take this opportunity to say thank you all for your continuous support over the past 8 years. Excuse me. Your support has meant the world not only to me, but for the future of this channel. Uh, I started back on this date in 2015, and I've had a good experience ever since. I enjoy sharing my love for trains, model trains, building, and other things as well. Uh, so it has definitely been a wonderful experience for me, and hoping to get many more years as time goes on. For the ones who have left comments in the community section, thank you all so much. I have taken the time to read them. Those comments do mean the world, and I never thought I would get this far, but it's all thanks to you guys, and I greatly appreciate all the wonderful support, the wonderful comments that are left, and also for the interaction on the premieres and even the live streams with Model Railroad Mondays, 21st Century Railfan Fun, and and um, and the other streams we have been fortunately be able to do. So, guys, I just want to say thank you all so much for supporting me and also my work, and also having some fun with all the premieres and all the other releases that I've put out. And uh, I hope that I've been able to help you on some model railroad stuff, or maybe be an inspiration to do another project. So I just hope that what I have been able to do has been able to inspire someone. So a couple of quick things, just a little update on me. Things have been really crazy, so that's why I have not um, done many selfie videos right now. It's just because I have been so daggone busy. Um, but there are a lot of things coming up right now. My latest premiere, which was A Day in Crew, Fall 2022, that's a few videos back. Please check that out. That is done pretty well in the ratings right now. Please take a look at that one, and also the February Q&A responses are out, so you can look at that, as well as the March Q&A prompt is out. I have already received a comment or two on that one, so please give that a look. Also, Model Railroad Mondays is coming up on Monday. A time is going to be posted later. I don't know about the time just yet, but we'll be looking into that real soon as far as the time goes. But other than that, the N scale is great. I haven't run the O gauge and the HO stuff recently. I got to get those running again. So I've been working on mostly the N scale stuff, as everybody's followed a lot of those projects, um, especially with the UP-8. I hope you guys are continuing to like those and everything else there. So, but there's still a lot in store this year. We have a lot of premieres that are still in the works of going to be coming out. A lot of footage from late 2022, early 2023 is finally starting to get edited. So you are going to be seeing some premieres. So just remember to tap the notification bells, because there's going to be a lot of stuff getting ready to come out here real soon. So definitely want to tune in for all of that. So that's just a few updates on what has been going on. Hope everybody's doing great out there, and I hope to see you guys on premieres here real soon, as well as the live stream. So just remember, guys, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys, and may God bless.